Hello guys, this is Mohammad Motiwala and welcome back to my channel Smart Web Tutorials. I hope guys you all are doing well and safe in your place. So let's start the video. Today I am going to show you in this video how to add multiple Google font style in our website using HTML5. So in this web page, you can see I have created total 4 different paragraph section and every section have unique Google font style applied as you can see as well. So in this tutorial, I will let you know how to add multiple Google font style in our website using HTML5. So guys, let's start the video. Before start the video, if you are new in our channel, so I request you kindly press the red button and subscribe to our channel, so in future every single week you will receive one notification for our new tutorials. So guys, I am open my editor, which name you can see Sublime Text. So I just create one new file which name I apply Google Font and extension is .html. I am just applying HTML official statement which is HTML and apply over here one title Google Fonts. Just save this page and right click over this page and open in browser. You can see page are blank because of we don't add anything in body part except this title you can see over here. So let's start the coding part. First of all, I create one wrapper class and below the wrapper class I will add total 4 styles class. So first is style 1 and in each class I will add dummy text like lorem ipsum. Second class name is style 2 and dummy text will add like this. Same as will add style 3 and dummy text will add. Last one is style 4 will add dummy text. Just save this page by Ctrl S and then reload this page. You can see total 4 section like this page. So I just right click over this page and open inspect element. After open the inspect element, I will style this 4 section. So I just click this plus sign and add maximum width 1170 pixel and margin 0 auto, and then I will apply padding total 50 pixel. Okay, and then apply display flags and flags flow property like wrap. Okay, I will just copy this wrapper class and then apply over here division, and width I will apply like counting style like calculate 100% divide by 2 and apply over here like some margin 30 pixel. Okay, and then I will apply margin bottom like 50 pixel. You can see this type of styling, and then apply over here justify space between. Okay, and in this division I will apply line height like 1.6. You can see total 4 section style are applied. So now I am just click over here and copy this style and will create one new CSS file which name is style.css. We'll save this and copy this file name and apply over below the head tag. I will add link and apply the href. It means CSS file path. So which name is CSS. This is directory name and this is file name. I just save this and reload this page. You can see our style are applied. So now we will open Google Font official website. So after open this search bar, you can see the first page. Kindly wait a moment. Okay, so after search Google Font, you will find this first Google official page. So you just click over this link and it will open. So you will select every font. So guys, you can see this is official Google Fonts dashboard. So over this page you will see total 1006 fonts family are available. So we will add total 4 different font family in our web page. So first of all, I will add this type of font family, which name is, you can see over here, Roboto. So over here total these type of style are available. So if you want to select like this font family, which font weight is 700, so you can click over here and you can see this is apply here. Okay, if you want to remove this font, so you can click over here. Okay, so guys, if you want to go with this font style, click over here and then click embed font style. So over here you can see total 2 options like link and import. So guys, in this video we will see both of the options. First of all, we will go with link. So I will copy this and then apply below the head tag. Okay, I will save this and then I will copy this font family and then reload this page. So this font family will apply this web page. So I will add in first style box that Roboto font style. So I just paste this. You can see font Roboto font style have applied. Okay. So I will just copy this and then paste over this our style.css and reload. You can see this font family applied only for style 1 class. And then I want to go different font style apply in the second font. So I just click over here so I can see all the font. So you can select any font family, like you can use any font. I just want to go with this font like curly font. So after open this page, I will go with like this font style. So this is selected. So after that you can click over here. So guys, you can see total 2 links are generated like Roboto font, which is our first paragraph font style, and this is second font style which we have selected. So you can copy this and replace with this Roboto link which we have added before. I just paste over here and then I just copy this second font style and then reload this page and I will apply this over the second font style. I just paste. You can see these both are different. First we have added this type of style which name is Roboto. I just uncheck, so you can see the output by default it's appearing like this. Okay, so guys, so now we will apply third and fourth section font. So now I want to go with import. So we will remove this because we have applied first and second paragraph font. So I will click on browse font and then apply another font style. So I just want to go with this font style for our third section. So after open this web page, I will select this font family. So I just select over here and click here and then click embed. So guys, we have already used this font link, so we will use the import. So just click over here and copy, and you will paste this import in the CSS above the every style. Okay guys, you will add this link in the HTML part like below the link, and if you want to go with import, so you need to add this in the CSS. So I just save this and apply and copy this. I just reload this page and then apply this font family over here. I just paste this over here and just I click over the browse font. So I will go with like this font for our last section. So after the open this page, I will select like 700 italic. So you can see both font are added, which is very good facilities Google Font are provide to us. I just paste this and copy this font style for this style 4. I just paste this and copy over here and reload this page. So after reload this page, you will see the different over this page. You can see the difference. Guys, these second font are not applied, so we just add again because we have reload the page. So I just go to the browse font and select this font, like I just found this font, and then you can see this font, select style, and I will go with 600 font and then apply the link which is already applied. I just add the font family, which is you can see over here. I just apply for second style. You can see the difference. Okay, so in this video guys, I hope you will understand how to add multiple Google font style in our website, each and every section. So first section have different font style, second, third and fourth section have unique font style we have added. So I hope you will understand how we can do by itself. Guys, if you have any query or any doubt, you can drop the comment in this video. I will give you the needful response as much as possible. So I hope guys you enjoy this video and understand how to add Google font. Guys, if you are new in my video, so in my channel, so guys I request you kindly subscribe to my channel, and guys if you like my video, so kindly press the like button and share and please comment. Thank you guys for watching my video. We will meet soon in my next video. Thank you.